Okay, we out here. It looked like the truck's sitting kind of level now. Yeah, it looks better. I had first time I done it, it put it on the tires, boy. So this airbag system look like it's doing good. We're gonna take this thing down the highway and down the road a little bit, see where it goes. It seems to be sitting level. It's sitting nice. I like it. I think that it'll be safe. They said that it got its own levelers, you know, where it make it where the trailer start to sway. It know how to compensate for it. So we're gonna lock everything in, put our chains on, and you know, Tundra got some nice hookups for the chains though. You know, it was more beefier than my 2500 I had. But you know, I messed around there and, you know, switched up a little bit. Probably should have kept the 2500, but hey, we're gonna make this Tundra 2500 doggone it. It got just as much horsepower as my 2500 had, for sure. But it just not a bigger truck. But it seemed to be holding it nice now, you know. I like to think glad these people made something like that, you know, so we can, you know, be able to turn certain trucks into certain things. I don't know if that's the right thing to do or not, but we're able to turn certain things, certain trucks into certain things, you know. Turn a 1500, or they call it a 2/3 truck or whatever, into a 2500, you know. That's you know, so seems like all the lights are working on the trailer, and I'm gonna tie my little car down in there. I got a little 69 Austin Healey in here. It's sitting in here. I need to tie it down, make sure it don't roll all over the place. So and we're gonna go take it for a ride. We'll put you back on with us as soon as we get ourselves buckled in. All right, peace.